In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove animations in Canva. This simple process will help you create a more static, professional look for your designs. Whether you're working with slides, presentations, or social media graphics, removing unwanted animations can enhance focus and clarity. And the good news is it only takes a few minutes. So let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, open your design in Canva. Once you've selected the design you'd like to work with, the next thing you'll want to do is identify the image or element that contains the animation you want to remove. Simply click on the image or the specific element to select it. You'll know it's selected when a bounding box appears around it. After selecting the element, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the toolbar. Here, what you need to look for is the animate button. It should be quite visible and will allow you to view all the animation options applied to the selected element. Click on Animate to open the animation panel. Now that you've opened the animation panel, you'll be presented with several different animation styles that Canva offers. In our example, let's say you've applied an animation style called ink. This is where Canva gets really intuitive. You can watch a quick preview of the animation as you hover over different styles. However, for our purpose today, we're focusing on how to remove the animation. Once you've identified the animation, the screen will give you the option to remove it. Right there in the animation panel, you'll see an option labeled Remove Animation. Clicking this option will effectively strip the selected element of its animated properties, returning it to a simple, non-animated state. It's that straightforward. To make sure the animation has been removed successfully, you might want to preview your project. Take a look at your design without the distraction of animation by playing the draft or simply scrolling through your slides. Confirm that the changes have been applied correctly and that everything looks just how you want it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily remove any unnecessary animations from your Canva designs, helping you maintain a clean and professional look in your work. It's amazing how a small change can make a big difference in the overall presentation and feel of your design. Thanks for watching and happy designing.